Hello, everyone. Welcome to today. Transforming greed into generosity, finding calm in accepting what is instead of resisting it. Welcome, everybody, to today's Brixton Inner Space Outreach Program broadcast. My name is Lygia, and it's my privilege once again to share some thoughts on today's topic. So, how do we transform greed into generosity? How can we find calm in what's going around us in this chaotic world? I am an alchemist. What does that mean? It means that I can transform my life. I can get rid of the rubbish and produce the pure, solid, valuable core of myself, my life, a work of art, a beautiful work of art. So, how does that work? First up, we need to understand and have the answer to the question, what is the purpose of my life? If I'm very clear about the purpose of my life, then I will be very clear about how I want to spend my day. So, the purpose of life is to be the best you can be, not to solve the problems of the world, not to help everybody, not to bring peace to the world. No, to be the best you can be, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, the best you can be. And life conditions us to be the best we can be in so many directions, millions of websites on how to improve life, how to use the gym, how to exercise, how to buy clothes, how to wear them, how to accumulate money. You want to learn it and it's out there. But what about the inside? Real happiness, real perfection, inside out means to look at what's up here. So each of us have many beautiful qualities. These are the core qualities of the human soul. Brahmakumaris recognize about 100 of them: love, peace, purity, wisdom, joy, happiness, kindness, alongside courage, compassion, determination, strength. They're all there. When we work with the positive qualities within ourselves, within the soul, within the spiritual self, the soul, and bring them actively into our lives, use them, we begin to experience the power and beauty in ourselves in a very natural way. And whatever I do, I bring that power, I bring that beauty to my social interactions, to my work, to the way I use my time. So, meditation is a very powerful way to enter a place of inner sanctuary of power. Meditation means to focus on the spiritual self here, between the eyes, in the forehead. And when I take time out to still my mind, slow down my thoughts, I begin to access these qualities and bring them with me when I come out of that state of meditation. Already, so many good things will happen. I'll feel calm and relaxed. I'll feel a sense of well-being, a sense of purpose, that all is well, that I am a strong, good person. But alongside that comes a greater awareness of the negative qualities of the self. And anger, greed, lust, attachment, ego is there. But let me look at greed. When I do meditation, I can often feel a deep awareness of how lucky I am. If I have a roof over my head, food in the fridge, interesting work, good friends, a beautiful home, I begin to truly, truly value, not worship, but value these wonderful opportunities I have and the good things that have come to me in my life. So as far as I pay attention to my negative qualities, I can consciously let go of them. The planet is being destroyed by greed, but let me now be conscious that let me take what I need, leave it, leave some for others, whether it's water, whether it's food, whether it's the last slice of cake on the plate, you know? So let me be careful of the way I use the earth's resources, the way I use my time, energy, and money. And then I'll feel that I begin to flow with the earth. I belong to the world. I have so much to offer. And this gives my inner qualities of love, truth, and beauty, and so much more a chance to emerge and become the work of art that is truly me. So good luck on your journey of finding your true and perfect, beautiful self. Thank you for joining us with lots of love and thanks. Bye-bye now. Bye.